Late night SVR, folks. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, yeah.
Weather bulletin. For the following counties in Pennsylvania, Fayette and Greene. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Garrett County in western Maryland, southeastern Greene County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southern Fayette County in southwestern Weather bulletin. For the following counties in Pennsylvania, Fayette and Greene. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Garrett County. Were located along a line extending from 6 miles south of Jefferson Borough to near Farmington, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source, radar. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Morgantown, Uniontown, Westover, Star City, Biddingher, Farmington, Fairdale, Point Marion, Granville, Friendsville, Accident, Brookhaven. This includes the following highways: Interstate 68 in Maryland between mile markers 1 and 12. Interstate 68 in West Virginia between mile markers 1 and 32. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 14. Interstate 79 in West Virginia between mile markers 145 and 160. These storms are producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. These storms have produced damaging wind. Move indoors and stay away from windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Weather message. Severe thunderstorm watch 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.